Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, updates and connectivity, because outdated app or offline phone often blocks notification fixes. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots or the settings icon. This puts you where notification controls live. Make sure you also have the phone's main settings app ready. Some fixes require toggling system permissions. Now, navigate to notifications in-app to begin checking message, group, and call alert settings so you can compare app level versus system level control. You'll now align app and system settings so alerts actually appear. Inside WhatsApp, enable message, group, and call notifications and pick tones. This sets in-app behavior. Next, go to your phone settings, open apps, select WhatsApp, then notifications, allow all categories and set priority or pop on screen where available. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Battery Saver are off or that WhatsApp is exempted, because system-level blocks often silence pop-ups even when the app is configured correctly. You finish by validating changes and applying deeper fixes if needed. Restart your phone to apply system permission updates, then test with a message or call from another device. This proves pop-ups are restored. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. Backup chats first to avoid loss. If notifications are still blocked, check notification history or system logs to find silent rejections, which reveals specific permission denials to address next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.